Oh, hi guys. Hey guys, today's video is drawing. I actually cooked some drawings. I kind of cooked. Like, look at this. Like, look at this can of drawing. It's actually so cool. And my avatar drawing from my old account. And Verity, of course, Verity. And now that mob, and it's still our voices. I create monster. I was not noticing. And this is my OC, and the last one is just, I don't know. I just created some monsters. Anyways, actually became good at this. Now let's create a new monster, I think. And now, what if we made a giant monster? Like a literally giant one. Then go in here and go in here. Oh na na, oh na na. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Actually, I'm gonna delete this. A monster here. What monster? Dang, dang, dang. Dang, 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 dang. Actually, this looks like a monster. Okay, this just looks like something in a horror movie. What if a shadow? What if I create a shadow? That would be awesome. Wait, what? It's white note. Wait, what's it? Boom, 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 pop, pop, boy, boy. He looks like a stickman more than a figure. Okay. Now. What if, wait, I created a little density. That would be, wait, what? I just got a huge idea. I got a huge idea. Moyo. See the circle? So let me make it a perfect circle. See the circle? I'm gonna turn it to a person, but not a person. Doing. This is gonna be the map. Where I put my monster. Like, what I'm doing? First, red. The red monster. It's coming this way. And now I'm doing. Then it's gonna go in this way, and 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 this way. This is gonna be his territory. It's gonna be a territory of his doink. Now I'm drawing. Now, so what I'm doing. territory is gonna be mine. Then his ding, ding, ding. His territory, and the green one. Let's make the green one. Then put a line in line. His territory is gonna be this. His territory. This. I have to go here and here. Now go here. Now boom, boom, boom. Now he's gonna turn two into them. Blue. I'm gonna make a blue one. Blue one. Then are you so stupid? It's all a game. We can play it all, but we never play. Bum, 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 bing, ding, ding, ding. Okay, now this. Bop, boom, ding, dang. Get it. Now fix it. There's our afraid it's all prank. We can play this all, but we'll never play at all in the world is only time. And the clock and the slow time. Got a dice and blank ink. And the place and the glory annoyed. Like is your last day of the job. No. Make me mad in every way. Now it's gonna, bro, this is a masterpiece. Wait, what if we add block? What's that? Black. Boom, pow, pow, damn, go. And a little white. Dun 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 dun. Down, and I send it. Yeah. This is actually a masterpiece. A masterpiece. Now this is done. I'm gonna leave.
توصيل مجاني لا محدود لمدة سنة للعملاء الجدد في هنجر ستيشن. حمل التطبيق واطلب الحين.
Okay. I'm just joking. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop. I'm not falling for it. Pop. Now name it. Wait, actually, bro. Why does okay? And now. Why did I this? video. A or T. Now I'm done. Goodbye, guys, and subscribe, please. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm done. Now, goodbye. Like and subscribe.